One of the major challenges in today's careers when it comes to product management and product marketing is that most people, and at times even the professionals themselves, they actually aren't exactly sure where their responsibilities begin and where it ends. This challenge is even compounded by the fact that the roles of product managers and product marketing managers may actually vary significantly across different company sizes and across different sectors. For instance, in some companies, a product manager and a product marketing manager will actually struggle a lot to own their responsibilities for different given functions. At the same time, some important functions may actually fall through the cracks because neither the product management nor product marketing is taking responsibility for them. Failing to clearly define product management and product marketing responsibilities can actually truncate an organization's ability to deliver and develop the best products possible and take them to market successfully. Now, for this reason, let's dive into these distinctions a bit. First, what are product managers' core duties or responsibilities? A product manager has the overriding responsibility for the product. A product manager's responsibilities often include taking charge of the product strategy, developing and maintaining the product roadmap, and conveying this roadmap to the development team to ensure they build the product to spec in sync with this plan. The development team and the engineering team, definitely. Now, let's talk about the core duties of a product marketing manager. A product marketing manager's primary responsibility is actually to communicate the product's value to the market, the audience, the target audience. Now, a product marketing manager's responsibility may include training the sales team on how to sell the products, creating marketing materials that communicate the product features explicitly, and developing marketing tools and campaigns to attract new prospects and customers to these products. One of the key things to understand with these two roles is that they actually represent one team. Indeed, one of the most important teams in an organization when things are done properly. Now, in highly effective organizations that have good understanding of both roles, the product manager and the product marketing manager work closely together as a team, and their complementary responsibilities help to take a product from the first strategy session all the way to successful market adoption and dominance. When it comes to the product management's role, here is how it works basically. The product's inception will be driven by the product manager, who will first drive the development of the product strategy. This is very important. It starts with the product strategy. Furthermore, he or she, this is the product manager, will then gather market research, customer feedback, and stakeholder inputs towards arriving at a strategic plan for the product. With this strategic plan in hand, the product manager will then communicate this plan to their development team, that's the software team, the engineering team, and then you work with them to execute this strategy and also oversee the product's progress throughout the development phase. Also, during development, the product manager will have ongoing responsibility for communicating the product's progress to the executives, the sales team, and other key stakeholders within the organization. In product management, effective stakeholder communication is extremely important. Also, when it comes to the product marketing's angle and in terms of their roles, here's how it works. In parallel with the product manager leading the product development, the product marketing manager will be responsible for learning, understanding, and mastering the product strategy. Now, getting to know its customers, its user personas, very important, and developing the tools and campaigns that the company will use to introduce and sell these products to the market, the target market. Therefore, it's very helpful to think of these two roles as very, very complementary at its best. It simply means they work best when they work together. Internally, product marketers often manage their own marketing roadmaps to tracking overarching marketing goals, strategies, and initiatives. The product manager will then collaborate with the product marketer to clearly articulate the product features, the product benefits, and the product value to the target audience, the market. Now, this is because when it comes to marketing generally, people don't buy products or services. No, people only buy solutions to their problems. Therefore, a great product marketing manager must develop a deep knowledge of the products, a deep knowledge of the target audience, and then connect both together by translating features into benefits that solve problems for the customers. Now, product marketing is also responsible for communicating these benefits to industry analysts, the media, the stakeholders, and the public. Now, the tools that the product marketing manager chooses might include email, webinars, landing pages, battle cards, advertising, public relations, campaigns, taking the products to relevant trade shows, the product targets customers, and getting the product covered by relevant industry analysts. Now, though we've described these two roles as part of the same team, it is vital to note that the product manager actually has some form of more leverage than the product marketer in most companies. Now, ultimately, the product manager is responsible for the product success or failure, which is why most of us actually describe the product manager as the product's CEO. I hope you found this helpful today. Now, for more content like this, please ensure to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification button so that you get to be the first person to know once I release the next high value content. Till then, stay learning and have fun and keep winning. Cheers, guys.